Hello there, and welcome to this English assessment. So this is all on high flyers. So we've got a small extract here. We've got 16 questions all together with small comprehension pieces. So with this first extract, let's read the comprehension that we have in front of us. So hot air balloon. The hot air balloon was invented by the Montgolfier brothers in 1783. It has become the oldest invention that can successfully take people into flight. So 1783, gosh, that's a very long time ago. That's just over 240 or 50 years ago. And the Montgolfier brothers were the first brothers who actually, or first people that invented the hot air balloon, the first type of flight that people could take into the air. And the question states, when was the first hot air balloon invented? So what year was the first hot air balloon invented? So here we've got four options. We've got A, B, C, and D. So according to the question and the answer here in the text, it says that it was invented in 1783. So we're going to go for option B as our answer here. So good luck with the rest of the work. Do your best, and we'll follow this up in our next class, whereby we'll be going through all the questions and answers together. Good luck.